For high-mix, low-volume assembly, a dedicated rig and hard tooling is scrapped on every product change. Torque rides on a veteran's feel, and volume's too low to amortize. A collaborative robot drops the fence and saves floor, drag to teach changes product in minutes, and every screw is torqued to spec with a per-bolt record. Drag to set the path, store each product in a job library to recall in one tap, and tighten closed loop on torque with a per-bolt log. Locate, pick, assemble, tighten, confirm torque, change product, change program. The same line keeps running. When does a Cobot fit? Many products in small batches, frequent changeover, torque that must be traceable, or a floor too tight for a fence. The same flexible assembly plus fastening logic runs flanges today, and hydraulic valves, 3C, appliances, and E-drive assembly as well. Change product in minutes. Every torque value traceable, no fence, and a shared human-robot station. Want a flexible assembly line for high-mix work? Talk to us.